Hi, welcome back to the channel for Loving Vat. My name is David. So it's just a quick video on this one with tar removal on a white car. You're going to see a wee bit of difference from the car with tar on it once they've got Tardis on it from Autosmart, just to see how it works and after, and we'll let you get to it. It's just a mini valet, but we had added extra for the customer of detarring the vehicle. Thank you for watching that wee short video. It's not a big one, but it's still a video. Just we're trying to keep it updated as much as possible can. If you've not seen our videos before, you can have a look through the rest of our videos on the channel. If you can leave a comment to see at least let us know what you think below. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.